Are you looking to finance a skid steer for your business? One of our friendly advisors can help pre-qualify you within a few minutes. Here are the steps you can take to be prepared before speaking with one of our advisors. Step 1. We will need to know the length of time you have been in business. If you are just starting, that's okay, because we have programs for startup businesses. Step 2. Have you picked out a skid steer yet? Have an idea on the budget for the skid steer and what it might cost. Step 3. Do you have an idea on what your credit history looks like? Even if you have challenging credit issues, we have programs that may consider your application. Step 4. If you are an existing business for at least 3 months, add up the average monthly gross income for the last 3 months. Step 5. Get pre-qualified with one of our helpful advisors. Call 888-565-6692, or you can click on our chat app help desk in the lower right corner of our website.